Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. Have you ever wanted to change the email linked to your Supercell ID? Maybe you've got a new email or just want to tidy things up. In this video, I'll show you the simple steps to change your Supercell ID email right inside Brawl Stars. Let's go. To change your Supercell ID email in Brawl Stars, follow these steps. Launch first the app on your device. Click on the menu in the screen's top right corner to access the game's settings. In the Settings menu, go to the Supercell ID option. If you don't see this option, click on the Connected button and you will see it. Next, click the gear icon in the upper right corner of your avatar to open the Supercell ID settings. Tap on the Change Email button next to your current email address. If you have access to the current Supercell ID email address, select Yes. However, if you do not have access to the current email, you will need to contact Supercell support for further assistance. A verification code will be sent to your current email. Enter the code to proceed. Then, enter your new email address and confirm it. A verification code will be sent to your new email address. Enter the code to complete the process. Your Supercell ID email will now be updated to the new email address. This change will be reflected in all Supercell games connected to your Supercell ID. Okay, if I've been able to help you, I'd appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription. If something didn't work out and you're stuck, check the comments. Maybe someone has solved the problem. Otherwise, I can try and help you further. I offer personal support on Fiverr and can give you independent advice. I also offer many other services. Feel free to check them out. You'll find the link in the video description. Until next time, bye.